In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert and customize your signature in Microsoft Word. This is a handy skill for adding a personal touch to your documents, whether they're business letters or personal notes. Let's dive right into the process. First, you'll need to open your Word document and navigate to the spot where you'd like your signature to appear. Placing the cursor there will help ensure your signature inserts in exactly the right location. Once that's set, it's time to bring your digital signature into the document. Head over to the Insert tab located in the top menu of your Word application. From there, you'll find a Pictures option. Depending on the version of Word you're using, it might say "This device" or something similar, allowing you to select an image saved on your computer. Click on that, which will open up your File Explorer or Finder window, prompting you to locate the image of your signature. Browse through your files, find your saved signature image, and once you've located it, click Insert. Now, your signature should appear right at the cursor's spot in the document. This is where we can start to refine how it looks. Click to select the image, and you'll see a new menu at the top of your screen called the Picture Format tab. It's in this tab that we can make adjustments to the appearance of your signature. If your image has extra margins or space around it that you don't want, click on Crop. This tool allows you to trim away any unnecessary sections around the edges, leaving you with just the signature itself. Sometimes, the background of your signature might not blend well with the rest of the document, especially if the background isn't white or isn't transparent. To address this, use the Remove Background feature, also found in the Picture Format tab. This useful tool can help isolate the signature from its background, making it look like it's part of the document itself rather than just an image slapped on top. Finally, let's adjust the size of your signature so it fits perfectly in your document. Click and hold one of the corners of the image and drag it in or out to resize it. Keep in mind that dragging a corner rather than the sides helps maintain the signature's proportions, preventing any unwanted stretching. And there you have it, a well-placed and perfectly sized signature in your Word document. Hopefully, this guide has been clear and helpful, giving your documents that extra bit of flair and professionalism. Thanks for joining, and happy editing.